Kindly note ECGC insurance coverage is only for exporters. Exporters play a critical role in managing payment and country risk through ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India. Here's what exporters need to do with ECGC. 1. Register with ECGC. Exporters must register themselves with ECGC by applying for an appropriate insurance policy, usually the standard policy, for regular short-term shipments. 2. Obtain credit limit on buyers. Exporters must declare the buyers, foreign customers, they plan to work with. ECGC will assess and approve a credit limit on each buyer based on their financial health and payment history. This ensures the exporter is protected in case the buyer defaults or delays payment. 3. Take an export credit insurance policy. ECGC offers different policies. The most common is the standard policy, which covers commercial and political risks. 4. Pay premium regularly. Exporters must pay a premium to ECGC based on the value of exports and the risk profile. Premium rates is for annual basis. Suppose an exporters obtain for 10 lakhs rupees insurance from ECGC for a particular buyer under one buyer policy, and exporter paid premium rupees 2,500 to ECGC. This small amount will protect exporter for 10 lakhs for 365 days. Exporter can make many shipments under one buyer policy. There will be no need to pay premium on each shipment. 5. Report shipments to ECGC. After each export, the exporter must report the shipment and details of payment terms to ECGC. However, this rule has been simplified. 6. File claims if buyer defaults. In case of non-payment due to commercial, like insolvency or protracted default, or political risks, like war, import ban, transfer delay, exporters can file a claim with ECGC. ECGC typically reimburses up to 95% of the loss, depending on one buyer policy. 7. Maintain proper documentation. Exporters must maintain all export-related documentation, invoice, bill of lading, shipping bill, payment terms, etc., to file a claim smoothly if needed. 8. Use as collateral for bank credit. ECGC policies also make it easier to get bank loans, packing credit and post-shipment finance, since banks treat insured receivables as lower risk. In short, exporters use ECGC to manage risks and ensure they get paid, especially when dealing with new or high-risk foreign buyers or countries. It helps them trade with confidence and expand globally with financial protection.